Hello, I'm in a 2016 Kia Sorento, and today I'm going to show you how you would check your oil levels. So first open the hood, and with the vehicle and engine turned off, you'll find your dipstick here. Pull the dipstick all the way out, wipe it clean with a rag or paper towel. Then we'll stick this all the way back in while the vehicle's off, pull it right back out. And then we'll check the end here. You'll see a couple notches. There's an F next to a dot and an L next to a dot. But anyways, the one towards the left, that is your full, so the F would be full, and then the L dot towards the right is low. So you want it pretty much right on or close to that F dot, and if it's closer to the L, you might need to add some oil. So to add oil, we'll stick this back in all the way. A little bit quicker with two hands. Alright, so it's back in. And then here's where you would add your new oil. Make sure you're using the proper type of oil. Ideally the same synthetic conventional brand you've been using as well, best not to mix and match. But you'll unscrew this, and either with a funnel or straight from a quart jug, just add as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. Once you've added, just screw this back on nice and tight. And then at that point I would start the vehicle and the motor, run it for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the process we just did in the beginning to check your oil level. And that said, don't do any of this in replacement of regular oil changes, which depending on type of motor, type of oil, motor age, mileage, things like that. You typically do on vehicles between 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so for every oil change. Any of those, typically you put the vehicle on a slight lift, so you can get underneath to the oil pan where you unscrew the oil plug, drain all the old oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the plug back in nice and tight, and then you come back in from the top. And then for your particular motor, add all the oil recommended for your motor for an oil change. Screw this back on nice and tight. And then start the motor again for about 5 seconds to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the original process again with this dipstick to see if we're on the full. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.